Hi guys, this is the first video shot with my new LED source for macro shots. So tell me what you think. So we are splitting today, what is it? Power supply unit or power converter unit. I believe it is for Soviet ARK-9 radio navigation system. I did remove it from an ARK-9 test bed, in fact. So it must be part of the original setup. So it is built onto a metal die-cast frame, as you can see. So here is this side, you have the main plug connector. You have two fuse holders, a regular kind of Soviet fuse holders. You have some attachment bracket here, all the colorful wirings. So on this rear side I have some LED reflections. We have on this side so lots of diodes on this, and diodes, tantalum capacitors, these green things. Here we have some electrolytic capacitors holding in place with these metal brackets. So here more capacitors, resistors, and this is interesting. It seems to be a rectifier according to the seal screen. You have anode and cathode written here. I will put it in the correct position for you. So, and it seems, I believe it is a selenium rectifier, not sure. Then what else? The last thing, so you have here a vacuum tube under this metal cover. And three transformers. So you can see they are coated in green paint, these transformers. You have here one or two, don't remember, two potentiometers with lock screws for setting fine settings of output power voltage probably. So here we are for it. It is a quite heavy little item in very good condition, so it is a display piece almost. It is very clean. So here it is for it. I will try to do some closer macro of the parts now. Bye bye. So some close up for you. I'll show you the parts. These are very nice mica capacitors, by the way. So with transformers, the famous amber tone fuse holders with a flower cover. They are very regular into Soviet stuff. You find them a lot. And the mysterious part here, it must be yes, it is a rectifier or diode. You can see the nice manufacturer logo. I believe it is selenium. So you have capacitors here with the manufacturer logo also. The typical Soviet resistors, nothing special. Maybe I can remove the vacuum tube because real geeks love vacuum tubes. So I will try, it is not easy. Okay, so it is an octal tube model SG15GI, it seems. You have a manufacturer logo here. It is a letter D, Cyrillic letter D. And the quality stamps. I did not give a date time for this. It seems it is from the early 70s. So here is the socket for the tube with ceramic insulator, good military grade, but they are not easy to fit. And here the cap, even the cap has a manufacturer logo and the manufacturing date and the model number. This OTK stamp is a metal quality approval. Some spring inside to hold the tube in place. So for me it is a really regular Soviet stuff. Nothing fancy here, but if you are not used to Soviet stuff, it is interesting anyway for you to see it. Here is the main plug. Okay, so it is all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.